Alright, so the results are in, and I just installed the impression ceiling fan. I put it on 4 blades. So I'm going to add the light kit, and I'm going to add the 5th blade, and I'm going to put the light kit and flip the blades over. So yeah, we're going to start on low. And for some reason, with the light kit off, the pull chain clicks sound different. You'll see once I make the next video. There's low speed. Medium. And high speed. And off. Alright, so I'm going to put the light kit on, and then I'll make another video. See ya. Bye, guys.